To use the Etoro virtual portfolio effectively, start by understanding what it is and how it works. The Etoro virtual portfolio is a simulated trading environment that allows users to practice trading with virtual money, helping you to develop your trading skills and test strategies without risking real capital. First, you need to open an Etoro account and navigate to the virtual portfolio section. Once you are there, you will be given a virtual balance of $100,000 to start trading with. This virtual balance can be used to buy and sell a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. To place a trade, select the asset you want to trade, choose the amount you want to invest, and then decide whether you want to buy or sell. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in your gains. One of the key features of the Etoro virtual portfolio is the ability to copy other traders. This means you can browse the profiles of other Etoro users, see their trading history and performance, and then copy their trades in real time. This can be a great way to learn from more experienced traders and to diversify your portfolio. To get the most out of the Etoro virtual portfolio, it is essential to set clear goals and to develop a trading strategy. This could involve focusing on a particular type of asset, or using a specific trading technique, such as day trading or swing trading. Another important aspect of using the Etoro virtual portfolio is risk management. This involves setting limits on the amount you are willing to lose on each trade, and not risking more than a certain percentage of your virtual balance. By following these steps and using the Etoro virtual portfolio effectively, you can develop your trading skills, test new strategies, and build your confidence as a trader, all without risking real money. Remember to always keep learning, stay up to date with market news and analysis, and to adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your trading goals.